Hi, this is the INFINIX Note 30 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate the Wi-Fi, you should click the swatch on the swatcher, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and you should enter the password. Now, to see the password, you should click here to this eye icon, then just tap to connect, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn on the Wi-Fi, you should click to the same switcher, and that's it. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open first control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.